So if you go to gttn.treatgenesdb.org/gttn-tpps/edit, and then your accession number of your submission, you can edit information about your submission. Right now, we only offer the ability to edit your submission name and the species, either submission-wide or of individual samples, but we intend to expand this edit page in the future. So you can, at this page, you can either switch the species for your entire submission, or if only a couple of the samples were misidentified, you can switch the species for just those samples by clicking individual samples. Today, I just want to edit the species for the entire submission. So I can change it from Apsley africana to this species, and I can click submit. This will submit a job similar to the original approval job. That should just take about a minute to run. Now it should be complete. So if we go back to the reference data, you can see that now my demo submission, instead of being an Apsilia africana submission, has changed to this species. And if I click on the submission details link, now you can see the species is this species instead of Apsilia africana. And all of the trees are now this species rather than Apsilia africana. And the same is true for the samples for this submission.